Alright, lift off. Yeah. I don't even see light over there, which is weird.
Probably raining between there and here.
Alright, where are you?
It's still sunny up there.
30 seconds in. Still no light. Wow. Kind of see a glimmer over there, but barely. It's the same glimmer that's been there.
Yeah, I think it's just raining between here and there, and it's just moving.
Come on, give me some fire. Well, I can see it on your screen. It's still all intact. I hear it. No, that's a train, isn't it? Come on.
This you should feel more than hear.
That's my phone telling me it has liftoff. Where is it? How do they have such a great camera view of it? Wait, I don't think it took off.
Yeah, no, it's right there.
Where?
There it is,
Oh, there it is. Nice.
Julian, look, a rocket. Come here, look.
Oh, look at the rocket, babe.
Do you see?
That's coming back.
Look at that. Is that Buzz Lightyear?
No, that's why it's flying.
He's flying. Boy, it's bright.
I have a 30-second timer on my phone, and I think it went, or on my camera, and I think it went out of view.
Hey, where'd it go?
I can't tell.
Where'd it go?
It went behind the cloud.
Nice.
Yeah, it's at the top of my view. Where'd it go?
It went behind the